how are you? This is Leslie. And welcome to my channel and to another of my videos. So first of all, if you're not subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking on the button down below and joining this beautiful family. And today I'm gonna show you how to do this like makeup look. It's like a glowy, dewy finish, and I wanted to have like a bronzed shade, so that's why I have this lipstick as well. But yeah, I hope that you really like it, and if you want to know how I did this, then let's get into it. For this, I'm gonna start a little bit different from the usual makeup routine. I'm gonna start with my foundation, and I'm gonna do a glowy finish. So I'm using the Pro Filter Fenty Beauty foundation on the shade 310, and this foundation oxidizes, which means that you usually have to choose a lighter color because with time it's gonna get a little bit darker. So if you see that my skin looks lighter when I'm applying this, it's because it's gonna go to the color that I actually need. And I already prepped my skin with some SPF and primer before doing my foundation. Now, since I want a glowy dewy finish, I'm gonna add some Cover FX Enhanced drops, and usually like you can either mix this with your foundation before like applying it, or apply it after your foundation, which is what I'm gonna do. Now I'm gonna go with my eyebrows, and for that I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. I have naturally thick eyebrows, but I just like to fill in any like space that I have and kind of like match the same shape of my eyebrows, because I think this one like it's more like downwards. Now I'm gonna take the MORPHE JACLYN Hello collaboration, which is this small palette. I'm gonna be taking the shade right here, Smooth Criminal, and I'm gonna combine it with Secure. So I just want this as like a transition shade or like a base. I'm gonna apply it like all over my eyelid, and then after that I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter for this dual look. Now I'm gonna combine a little bit of the Access shade, which is this yellow one right here, and I'm gonna add it a little bit in the center. And I'm taking my favorite glitter eyeshadow from Stila and applying a little bit on the center of my eye, and I'm gonna blend it with my finger. I like to bring it to the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm gonna use the Kiss Falsies, and this is the type Poise, that's what they're called. And usually I like the ones that are called Shy, but I ran out of them, so let's give a try to this ones, because I don't want to use mascara, and yeah, we're gonna go with this. Now for some color on the cheeks and some glow, I'm gonna be using the Pixi Glow on the shade Cake, and this is like blush with some glitter. And apply it right here. And I think for lipstick, I'm gonna go with the Victoria's Secret Pure Metal, which is this bronze color right here. If you think this color is a little bit too much for you, then you can choose any other, but I think like I wanted to go for a full glow and bronze finish, so this is the final look. So that was it for this video. I hope that you really like it, and if you did so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and also if you're not subscribed yet, you can do so by clicking on the button down below. It's completely free, and I hope to see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.